Mahabharata has more than 100 plus variations,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
It's called the Bhel Mahabharata. I love Hindu myths in general and Hindu history in general. Is that you can have a perception about everything.
Hmm.
So for what Kalki might mean to you might not mean to me as well.
So I think we can start with Kalki ही.
Okay.
आपकी first book was Kalki, right? Kalki का
Um,
trilogy.
so it was not my first book. It was my third, third of th- fourth book.
Okay.
So I was an unsuccessful writer for almost 8 years,
Mm-hmm.
since the age of 14 till 21.
You started writing at 14.
I started writing at the age of 12. So I started at age 12. Then 14 में मैंने first किताब publish करी थी, which was released by then Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit.
Okay.
And then at the age of 16 I wrote another book. उससे बीच में I was getting rejected by all publishers. Then 18 में I wrote another book. Again it got rejected. 100-200 copy family friends ही खरीद लेते थे, as always, as every book. And then I was giving up. So I went to Stephens and I tried to my hand in direction, in acting, in
Okay.
theatre.
Okay.
There also I failed because my scripts were not getting accepted by the theatre society of my college.
Okay.
but then I started my own production company in
Yeah.
terms of like production. We used to make short films and we used to make web series. You know, उस
Okay.
time पे TVF आया था वो.
Right.
So we made them. We never launched any one of our videos, and because they were so bad in in terms of production.
Okay.
But and then I went to film school, realizing that okay, you know what, I probably might not be good for writing.
Yeah.
I'll probably do some direction only. And उसपे एक फंडा ये आया था कि यार let's write this. My dad said it to me actually. He's like यार तू एक ऐसी किताब लिख ले जो बाहुबली आई थी उस टाइम पे.
Okay.
So he's like यार कुछ ऐसी लिख दे जो मतलब scale वेल you know epicness वाला scene होए. So I said ठीक है. So I researched a little bit and I realized that you know like not a lot of it has been written on Kalki Avatar.
Yeah.
Like we know about him.
Yeah.
Even in fact at that time a lot of people didn't also know. So that was the funny part.
Yeah.
Like surprisingly somewhere like my books and the books after my book, because a lot of other people started writing on Kalki after me. I realized that there are a lot of people have started to to know more about Kalki Avatar. Who is he? Where is he coming from? And everything. And इसलिए मैंने लिखी Kalki Avatar पे primarily because no one had written on it, and I never expected it might work. I'm telling you, I'll be very honest with you. It's now, you won't believe, even now till now I've sold more than 500,000 copies of Kalki.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's almost 5 lakh copies plus, I guess. And I still can't believe. Like today only I got to know how much royalty I'm getting from Kalki. You know, like literally in the morning. I'm not even
Yeah,
kidding.
yeah.
Literally in the morning I got it. I got to know, and I realized, oh, I've sold 50,000 copies of Kalki series in the last 5 months after 6 years of releasing the book.
Oh my
Like
God.
even now, it's like
Yeah.
it's doing better than it used
Yeah.
to.
I tell you why. Because
Yeah.
अभी ज़्यादा knowledge हो, अभी ज़्यादा
that's true.
hyped में
Yeah,
I think.
yeah.
है ना Kalki
Yeah.
and everything.
And that's what I don't understand, like why people don't know about Kalki Avatar, because Kalki Avatar is the most fascinating avatar of Lord Vishnu. You know, when first of all he's the most mysterious avatar
Okay.
because you don't know much about him.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's what piques your interest, because you
Yeah.
know about like your nana nani or dada dadi, they always talk about Narsingh Avatar, Narsimha,
Yeah.
Lord Narsimha, Prahlad,
Yeah.
Bhakta Prahlad के बारे
Yeah,
में they can
yeah.
speak, or Parshuram,
Yeah.
Ram, Lord Ram के लिए, Lord Krishna के बारे में obviously
Correct.
everyone knows, but Kalki के बारे में they always be like क्यों बताना, किस लिए है, क्यों है, कैसा है,
I think
And-
उसका reason ये भी है कि उसके बारे में कम दिया हुआ है.
कम दिया हुआ है. No, actually, you know, there is a Kalki Puran. So
Okay,
there is a
yeah.
Puran out there which
Yeah.
talks about Kalki's journey.
Hmm.
But unfortunately, why it is not so popular? Like if you go on Amazon right now, you can buy a Kalki Puran.
Okay.
Yeah, it's available there. It's probably in Sanskrit or Hindi.
Okay.
So because since I was not good at Hindi, I had to like translate it through online and then I had to read it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But
I thought you'll be saying I wasn't good in Hindi, so I read it in Sanskrit. I don't know why I thought that.
I wish I was good at Sanskrit. I'm not. I'm the typical Delhi
Okay.
Delhi boy.
I won't disagree when I'm not good in Hindi. I took French. I was not good in
Yeah.
Hindi.
But I wish I knew Sanskrit, and hopefully down the road I might. Like I used to study Sanskrit as a kid, but I wish down the road hopefully I will definitely learn from it. But yeah, in terms of Kalki Puran is the kind of Puran which came quite late into the game. So like Shiv Puran is there, there's Vishnu Puran, there's a lot of Purans, they came much earlier You know, much earlier. I mean, I'm talking about thousands of years prior. And Kalki Puran came much later, and that is why what happened was and it was not reproduced a lot.
Yeah.
You know, like for instance, you see Shiv Puran being translated, being republished multiple ways में.
Correct.
But Kalki Puran को आप सिर्फ 1-2 एडिशन देखोगे. So उससे क्या होता है ना, उससे ना रीच नहीं है. And that is why obviously the dadas and the dadis and the nanas and the nanis or the papa mummies of today's they don't get to read all of that.
Yeah.
So for me, I was very happy that the Kalki Puran sales increased after Kalki.
Oh my God! You were helping them increase.
No,
the sales.
primarily because पता ही नहीं था.
Correct.
कि Kalki Puran भी है. Lot of people didn't know. You know, so
even
that's,
I didn't know before I saw it.
Exactly, and मेरी books का ना I make it very clear, like even if you look at a disclaimer, if you see,
I read.
yeah, there's a disclaimer, right? It's like very clear that boss, listen, मैं यहाँ पर कुछ मैं preach करने नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I don't want to preach. You know, I want to entertain, and I want to somewhere educate what Kalki stands for. You know, and in that process, if you're interested to read Kalki Puran, I've done my job.
Yeah.
But if you want actual knowledge, which is accurate, you read the Purans.
Correct.
You don't read my book. If you want knowledge.
Correct.
Right. But if you want to get excited about that knowledge, read my book. So that is what mythology writers do at this today's time.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. So I did have a question, because आपने कल्कि के बारे में, you said you read the Kalki Puran, तो आपने obviously if you've read a book, you've done a lot of research about it.
Yeah.
Right? My question when I started researching about Kalki or started reading or knowing from Dada Dadi Nana Nani, what I could get is 2 different views.
Okay.
ठीक है. एक जगह पे I am reading that Kalki will be a human avatar, will come on Devdutt, the white horse, everything.
Yeah.
The second analogy say or the perspective is कि Kalki जो है, it is a thought. It is an invisible force.
That's true.
And जो आप देवदत्त की बात कर रहे हो, वो सिर्फ brightness है जो darkness को हटाने के लिए आ रही है.
Yeah.
Now I am confused कि वो एक human avatar होने वाला है कि नहीं होने वाला. And different Puranas again talk about different stuff.
Yeah.
So पहले आप मेरे को यही बता दो, फिर मैं दूसरी चीज़
पूछती है. No, I think, see, why I love Hinduism and why I love Hindu myths in general and Hindu history in general is that you can have a perception about everything. So for what Kalki might mean to you might not mean to me as well. You know, so to answer your question, both the answers are right. What you are, what you said, both the options that you gave, they're absolutely correct. But both of them are wrong as well. But it totally depends on who the person is you're talking to. अब आपके हिसाब से probably Kalki might be a thought, but for मेरे हिसाब से Kalki might be a person. You know, so it can be vice versa as well. So I think that's what the beauty is of the entire thing. And I think in my book also, what I try to do with Kalki is that I try to balance that out. Like I try to show that obviously there's a person called Kalki who's doing all of that.
Who's fighting.
But at the same time, there's a thought to it. There's a thought to it of a dharma and another dharma. And it talks, and you know, you wouldn't believe. So I'm very bad with analyzing scripts.
Okay.
Right. But when I'm writing, I don't know, मेरा subconscious में क्या है, अपना आप it flows through. So my entire theme of my Kalki series is that कि सबके अंदर Kalki है, सबके अंदर Kali है.
Okay.
है ना? Which is Kali है, sorry, Kali है.
Kali है,
हाँ, Kali है, हाँ, not Kali. वही I mispronounce every time, and they're like, नहीं Kali. It's Brits are very bad at. Yeah. Anyway, so there's Kalki and there's Kali, right? And there's always, in all of us, there's always these two parts, these two counterparts, and you have to decide which one you want that person to overpower you.
Okay.
It's as simple as that. Okay. And that's the entire theme of the series. You know, some people overpower the Kali part, some people overpower the Kalki part, and when I wrote the book series, I was like, ठीक है, लिख लिया, क्या जा रहा है? मेरा thought process है, वाह, very original, very original. Apparently I got to know later on that literally that's what Kalki represents.
Okay.
Yeah, that I was like, okay, that Kalki is basically about choosing the right and the wrong, and it is about morality. And I'm like, okay, like that is something, because I was reading some research like on historical research on Kalki and everything, and I was like, ये मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, हाँ. And it came through something, I don't know, I'm not a very spiritual guy.
Okay.
Like I'm an agnostic, so that's another controversial. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm agnostic. I'm not a spiritual guy, but somewhere when these things happen to me, I kind of start to believe that there is something out there. There is something divine. I don't know what that divine power is, but there is something divine that flows through you and produce something, which allows everything to like do well. अगर मेरे चक्कर में कल्कि के बारे में people know now, I'm happy यार. That's great thing for me.
Right. So इतना तो मैं समझ गई हूँ. It's on you how you take it to be. But again, आपकी research क्या बोलती है? Is it like will it be a human or will it be?
It's a thought.
It's a
research में तो मेरे को thought ही लगा है.
Okay.
Research में thought लगा है, but at the same time it totally depends from place to place, I guess, because Kalki has like so Hindu mythology, is interspersed with multiple opinions and multiple perceptions. So like for instance, I think if I'm not wrong, Mahabharata has more than 100 plus variations,
yeah,
right?
Definitely.
You won't believe there's a version where Draupadi got kidnapped by Naga, and Arjuna had to go to Karna to help him out to fight the Nagraj. So Arjuna had to go there and help it. It's called the Bhel Mahabharata. So the region of Bhel or something, they worship Karna more than anyone out there.
Okay.
So there are versions of it. So that's what I'm saying. So I personally feel it's a thought. That's my perception. But according to my research, also I think it's a perception. I think Kalki and Kali are these two, I would say, metaphors. These two allegory of what will happen if that these are two facets of our of ourselves that we are going towards. That see if you think about it, if you think about how world has evolved, right? We are becoming black and white. We are no more grey. Like जितना हम पहले ग्रे थे, जितना हम लोग पहले क्योंकि अब क्या हो गया, सब कुछ ओपन में हो गया है. पहले सब छुप छुप के होता था ना. So सब कुछ छुप छुप के होता था. So वो अब सब ओपन में हो रहा है, तो lot of people are now their vision is broadening. तो उससे क्या हो रहा है कि people are, once you get the freedom, you have that choice, right?
Yeah.
So you make the right choices if you have the right heart to it, if you have the right upbringing to it, right?
Yeah.
So वो अब क्या हो रहा है, हम धीरे धीरे जो बोलते हैं ना कलयुग आ रहा है या कलयुग आ गया है, या वो इसलिए बोल रहे हैं because it's like कि we have that Kalki and Kali within us, but on a regular basis, on an everyday basis, we are deciding who is going to win that particular day.
I think even not एक दिन में ही हम कितनी बार decide कर लेते हैं.
Exactly.
Right. कि ये the next action that I'm taking.
Yeah.
Right. That does make sense. But हाँ, अब मेरे को भी ऐसे लग रहा है कि it's a metaphor, it's the thought thing. But मैंने ये चीज़ पढ़ी है कि मदुराई में there's a temple, कल्की का, and they believe कि ये I don't remember करूपा स्वामी temple something, and वो तो worship करते हैं. There's this proper मूर्ति and everything. तो वही चीज़ें contradict कर जाती है ना थोड़ी सी.
So that's what I'm saying. It's like for them, there's a person. It is a person. Literally for some people, Salman Khan is also Kalki.
Right.
Come on.
Yeah.
Like, who do you believe?
Okay.
Okay. Who do you believe, right? So
yeah.
what I'm trying to tell is that that for me personally, after researching so much and after writing so much on mythology, I've realized something is सब सही है और सब गलत है. तो इसके अंदर डिबेट करना ना पॉइंट ही नहीं है. Because तुम अगर डिबेट करने बैठोगे ना, there are so many loopholes to the argument that you might think वो argument अच्छा है.
Yeah.
There's already loophole already. Like you can give me any argument right now, I can give you a loophole to that.